Meaning of incarceration.
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 Incarceration. Incarceration refers to the act of putting someone in prison or jail. It is commonly used to describe the legal process of punishing individuals who have been convicted of a crime. Incarceration involves removing people from society for a period of time, with the aim of rehabilitating them and protecting people from potential harm. The consequences of incarceration can be severe, both for the individual incarcerated and for their loved ones. It can result in loss of employment, social isolation, and reduced opportunities for education and personal development. The impact on mental health can be significant, as prisoners struggle with depression, anxiety, and trauma resulting from their experience.